Me wo hona me ba ne ma me frɛ me sɛ yɛsesa me ba no sukuu ma no na sukuu na wo kɔ no ne performance e ba ye no enye eti yɛsesa no ala me sia da yo so o di oba na me akyerɛ na me si yo mate agya me koduru ho a wo de terminal report no akyerɛ me terminal report ni eni me ba no sukuu terminal report me de ba kyerɛ mo okay but pese me state ade a ɛwɔ so no me duru ho na yes number on the roll tienio number on the roll 38 so they are 38 in a class and on matro position 27 tienio I know say we can and Okatakyie ba na bon Okatakyie ba wa bon ya me dia mo man nya me ba it's okay me dem say o man no sebi mpredua sa adwene ya se di bu o man no bebre like in every field. It's o ma me se akola na di 27 dia and the performance enye yes sano. I was curious. I want to go beyond the 27 na yes we no. Na me nko share the performance by a subject. Okay, so I was curious to go there. For those of you watching, look at akolano the performance per subject and the wahano. Na monsha dia mame. Now performance per subject no. First one out of 100 onya 91. Second one out of 100 onya 88. Third one out of 100 onya 90. Out of 100 fourth onya 85. Out of 100 onya 80. Out of 100 onya 92. Out of 100 onya 83. Out of 100 onya 98. Out of 100 onya 75. Out of 100 91. Out of 100 88. So out of 100 the worst performance was 75. Tiedio. And so ya truly boldly wa hasa akola na to so 27 out of 38 in a class. Na my friend Madam Busa ne say it is hard 27 now wo matro sa akola na di ne mfa so de be pa na de be mai. When in actual fact if you look at the performance of the child per the fact that the greater wa perform outstandingly well. Maame na se mo ka kire me ne say enkolabe say yabana say one of the things when you're 91 when you're 91 nebo enkolabe 5 or 10 enya 92 a say enkola ni nyina no omo di first nebo say basi e ko second when you're 91 after the omo when you're 92 no enam say nipa 10 and enya 92 nti ye ko next one a ye nkoka say ono ye second ye beka say o ye 11th nam say you people are sick in the head. We are sick in the head. Etubehwe no me ba no ebia class okrodi 3rd. Nebo mu nkola be 10 kabo so nya the same you can say figure in totality. Eti nkola be 19 na kabo so nya the same figure no. Ye ko next one ye ngasa akola na the second ye say akola na the 20. What kind of system is this? When what here when him say UK there is no system I catch akola say when the 38 out of 38. We are going to catch obi base wa class. Who does that? Unnecessary competition in our school. What kind of system is this? And when I demoralize akola no, the self-confidence in you breaking it down so wa class. And so become no detail by detail by detail akola ni outstanding when it comes to me Okatakyie ba the other no Okatakyie ba obedabo. The performance you had the worst among them is 75, which was only one. The Akanyina 85 above Nkwa. And so you see akola na the 27 and unti yeso. What kind of system is this? Etimo kwatena UK, kwatena Germany, kwatena US no. Ye catch na akola so we 38 over 38 ana. Who even does that? Pepa mucho obedi bobo am Canada, dem am US ne na se for. Mo kan kire me se mo hono akola terminal report me ba ne atworo to so say we did 27 out of 27 and now we did 50 out. I don't get it. Who came up with this system? Who came up with this system? And Kolanya greater. Yes, we did first. We had the second. Nonsensical educational system that sets the kids on the path of unnecessary competition. Anka Kolanya 91. When you're 91. Ebi amubetimi grade say from 90 to 100. A first grade. And in actual fact, when him there through, Osha report in this one, Omaka said 91 no, a grade 1. So Oma Unyansa grade you Name grade 1 that you know, near Kase, subject position, on your 20th. What kind of system is this? What is this? Akola 7 years. Who catch it and worry? Eju okofia na nkola na onu omu school mu no. Wo bia beso obeka oba ben ho because wo abon. But in actual fact akola na ben. Well, yenya ro na back to social media. Where Matisia say ebi say fix the country. Ebi say fix the yourself. Mama make bibi kitu ebi. You see, NPP, MPP, MPP, this crop of MPP now, you're kind of crashing them. We are intolerant. It's unfortunate I have to say this, but it's a fact. We are very intolerant. Time when your mama was so near Canasa, many against we are intolerant, and we all spoke against any intolerance level. Our car say, oh yeah, you would go funu, na the air cabiano, ye want tea, and the Kayan cassette as a sacasan in ye. And I'm sorry, Poladomoch will be better, and I said, Sabi, you bet me a one pa. And I'm at say, what said I, fix yourself, maybe say, fix your, but your mommy, me phone back on. Away from now, me reading the Constitution of Ghana. Okay, thank you. That's it. Constitution of Ghana, the Eba be ready. Now, you be sa Ghana penny for question. You be some question. Whether we should fix ourselves or we should fix the country. Yanyam pala ukuruma, muntieni, ubia ansusu, moye intolerant. Miana mimiana muba, moye intolerant. Ye mu maisa, ubu maya. Be ready to be accepted the amount for ne cano. Now you share the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana. The preamble of the Constitution, me be ready amamo. The preamble of the 1992 Constitution, now your friend J.J. Rawlings Constitution, they say, in the name of Almighty God, we the people of Ghana, we the people of Ghana, in exercise of our natural and inalienable right to establish a framework of government. Also, in exercise of our natural and inalienable right to establish a framework of government. One can say framework of chieftaincy. One can say framework of teachers. One can say framework of doctors. Or see framework of government. Now, for the purposes of our education, the definition of government. Momwaye, a school for no amona mo rebrofo, and Queen Elizabeth tete, a yehuo, Moma ye musa say government, you can the meaning of government as such as say. Per the Oxford Dictionary, you say government, a group of people with the authority to govern a country or a state, a particular ministry in office. Tienye was a group of people with the authority to govern a country or state, a particular ministry in office. And not afraid of the government. So we go back to the Constitution. Like I say, we the people of Ghana, in the exercise of our inalienable right to establish a framework of government, we shall secure for ourselves the posterity and blessings of all liberty, equality of opportunity and prosperity. Tienye. It's Ghana for na on the 7th of December. Ye koye and ye kosa lie. Ye sa lie we ye say ye tuaba na ye de man krofo bi say monye na mo hwe so o man ne be koye in every field, in every aspect. O man ne koye nye sikasam nko a. Said the man for na dwene kura na it should be the responsibility of government. Said the amount for participating in development of the country should be the responsibility of leadership. Prosperity for all, equal opportunity, equality. Now you can with preamble of the Constitution. Eti ye catcher government say, or mind more thing. And the government clamp back at us say, we should fix ourselves and we should fix our attitude. And I'm there holding and I'm saying, what kind of intolerance level is this? Who even does that in government? So who ye leader? Mona muye leaders. And nkrofo ho chire wo mo. And nkrofo ne ka chire mo say fix the economy, fix the country. And I will coming back to tell the people say they should fix their attitude and their mind. What kind of people are we? And what kind of leadership is this? So if you know as leadership, and I'm talking about NPP government, if you know as leadership say there is a mindset of the people to fix, there is an attitude for the people to fix, and all this while you've not done anything about it, you sit down when the people are telling you to fix the economy, you climb back